All right, guys, feast your eyes on the 2026 CVO Road King. The red line red paint is flawless, and the power coming from this Milwaukee 8 is on.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe from Will Wise, and if you're not sitting down right now, you might want to, because Harley just dropped the bomb with the new 2026 CVO Road King, and holy crap, this thing is straight fire. Imagine the classic naked touring king getting the full CVO treatment. Raw power, insane details, and that unmistakable rumble that hits you in the chest. Stick around because I'm about to break down why this could be the ultimate Road King yet. Man, I've been riding Harleys for years, and the Road King has always been that timeless bike. The one you look at and just feel American freedom. No fairing, open wind in your face, detachable windshield if you want it, those big saddlebags, and that classic 2-up seat. But for 2026, Harley took the CVO Road King to another level. We're talking limited production, factory custom magic that makes your jaw drop when you see it in person. First off, power. This beast is rocking the Milwaukee 8 VVT 121 engine, exclusive to CVO models. That's right, variable valve timing for smoother delivery across the rev range, massive torque that pins you back the second you twist the throttle, and enough horsepower to make highway passing feel effortless and fun. We're looking at around 115 horsepower and torque north of 130 ft/lbs in similar CVO setups, but tuned just right for that Road King character. Plenty of low-end grunt for cruising, but it pulls hard when you want to open it up. The cooling? Liquid-cooled heads keep things tame even in stop-and-go traffic or hot weather, so no more toaster legs on summer rides. The looks? Dude, the paint schemes are next level. Multi-stage custom paints, deep, rich colors with those signature CVO flakes and graphics that catch the light just right. Think premium finishes like citrus heat or those tritone masterpieces that make people pull over and stare. Chrome everywhere it counts, engine cases, exhaust, controls, but it's tasteful, not over the top. The wheels? Polished or blacked out options with that fat front tire stance that screams presence. And the seat? Plush, supportive, with that classic Road King profile but upgraded materials so comfy you could ride cross-country without a second thought. Tech-wise, it's not left behind. That big 12.3-inch Skyline OS touchscreen is front and center, crystal clear, glove-friendly with embedded navigation, Bluetooth for music and calls, ride modes to tweak everything from throttle response to traction control, and all the safety goodies like ABS, traction control, and maybe even some cornering-aware stuff if it's carrying over from other touring models. Audio? Premium Rockford Fosgate speakers that actually sound good at highway speeds. What I love most is how it keeps the soul of the Road King. No big shark nose fairing like the Street or Road Glide. This is pure, stripped-down touring with attitude. Windshield comes off in seconds for that naked look, or stays on for longer hauls. Suspension's upgraded with premium components, better damping, adjustable preload, so it soaks up bumps better than ever while staying planted in corners. Brakes? Strong, progressive, confidence-inspiring. Price tag? Yeah, it's CVO, so expect it to start high, probably north of 40 grand, maybe pushing 50 depending on the build, but you're getting a limited edition machine that's hand-finished, exclusive, and built to turn heads for years. Resale value on these things holds stupid well too. If you're in the market for a touring bike that feels special, not mass-produced, the 2026 CVO Road King might just be the one. It's got that perfect mix of classic style, modern performance, and Harley heritage dialed up to 11. What do you think? Would you rock this naked king, or are you more of a fairing guy? Drop a comment below, smash that like if you're hyped about it, and subscribe to Will Wise for more real talk on bikes like this. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. I've got more coming on these 2026 drops. Ride safe out there, catch you in the next video.